And we're back to doing Inkscape in a year, day 114. Let me show the rotate option of the tweak tool. I'm going to create some stars this time. I select them all, press Ctrl A. And it's the fifth option right there. So make sure that's active. If it isn't, left click on it. And if you left click on your stars and move your mouse a little bit, you can see the rotation already working. By default, it rotates clockwise, but you can also hold Shift and this then will rotate it counterclockwise. But once again, keep in mind, you have to left click and then move your mouse a little bit. So this creates the effect. I've already talked about the width and the force. So width is for the size of your brush in this case. And the force, this is for the intensity. And if you use it for the first time, it says 1:1, but it still have kind of like a default intensity. Once you've played around with it and you go down to 1, then the intensity is very, very small. So you can see that right here. And this I can use the tweak tool to rotate objects in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.